What's going on YouTube? Omar, aka Theibault, back with you again. I'm out of Palmer Park today. We had snow last night, so if you saw my barrage video yesterday, it was beautiful, like 60 degrees, and then it snowed, and we got about almost 2 inches, and sun came out this afternoon. It's melting, so I just wanted to get a quick little video while there was still snow on the ground. In addition to that, what I'm really here for is I wanted to test the what do they call it, TimeWarp feature on the new GoPro 7 Black. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and stick this camera on my Jeep Rubicon and just take a walk behind it, and we'll see what kind of video comes out of that. It's supposed to offer stability and kind of like a hyperlapse, so I'm pretty excited to see what it's going to be like. I started with just a 2x speed, so it may not be anything super cool, but I figured for a trail truck going 5x speed or higher would just be disorienting. So anyways, I hope it works out well, and if it does and you guys enjoy the video, as always, please be sure to leave me a like. It really helps me out, and make sure that you're subscribed for more RC content from me. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one.